Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch between Goodnotes Essential and Pro plans. Not sure how to switch between Goodnotes plans, whether you're using Essential or Pro? Managing your plan is simple, so let's see how to do it in just some few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the application Goodnotes. Goodnotes is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can download it via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. You can alternatively use Goodnotes on your computer via Windows or MacBook. You can download it from here, from the website. Make sure to click on download and then click on for Windows here. You can choose for Windows, for Mac, for iOS, or you can even use Goodnotes web. Now once you finish setting up your installing your application, if you want to upgrade your plan, as you can see, the free plan only allows you to create 3 notebooks. So if you want more, you have to upgrade to Pro plans. So as you can see in my accounts, it's a free plan. You're gonna click on here and click on upgrade. You're gonna click on the upgrade button, and here you're gonna see all the plans. As you can see, the free plan has up to 3 files, creation tools like shapes, ruler, 20 minutes of audio recording. But the essential includes unlimited notebook, whiteboard and text documentation, AI research and math assistance, and audio transcription for max for 3 hours continuous recording, and access to on any platform. So you're gonna find the subscriptions and the plan. View your current plan, select the option to upgrade or downgrade, then confirm your choice and follow the instructions. Now, switching plans is quick and flexible. Pick the one that works best for you. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.